Okay, so today I will be explaining in detail how to create a single Lego. Okay, this one will be our final output. Okay, and our objective for today is to use these three very important tools in 3D design or part design: the pad, the pocket, and the hole. Okay, are you ready? If you are ready, then let's start. This one is the first thing that will appear when you open your FreeCAD. So make sure you click empty file and make sure your workbench is set at part design. You can see here it's part design. Okay, if it's not part design, you can click there and then select part design. Sometimes it's set at sketcher, but make sure it should be at part design. Okay, if you're all set, then let's start by clicking drawing or creating a sketch. Click that one and then choose a plane where you will start. I prefer starting at XZ or front plane. So you can double click this or click just once and click OK. Okay, since we are going to create the base of the Lego is a square. If it's a single one, if you are going to create a rectangular one, then of course it must be rectangle. So for the square, let's set the size to 20 by 20 millimeters. Observe that it's already fully constrained because I started my drawing here at the middle or the center of the Cartesian plane, which is 0, 0. So this can no longer be moved up and down or sideward. So if you want to fully constrain your first object, you can click here to start your object. If you happen to click somewhere, then you have to make it green first or fully constrained. So my tip is start at the center so it's fully constrained. Now click close. Again, make sure you are fully constrained. If not, use the dimension tool to fully constrain your object. Okay, since I am fully constrained or my object is fully constrained, I'm going to click close. And then I'll go back to activated tools of part design. So the first tool is padding or pad. Okay, so that makes your square a 3D model or 3D design. So by default, it is 10 millimeters, but you can set it to other measurements. But for me, I want 10 millimeter thickness. So I'll stick to 10 millimeters. Okay, so now you have this 3D model of your base for the Lego. Then now let's create the protruding cylinder here. If you know a Lego, there's a cylinder here that you insert to another Lego so it's fully attached. So let's start. Of course, a cylinder is a circle. But to do that, click this plane, which means you are going to draw there. Click the plane and then create a shape. Click the circle because you are going to create a cylinder and it is a circle shape. Okay, so I want the circle to have 10 millimeter diameter. Alright, so that's alright already. It's not green, it's under constraint. So make sure it is at the center. So click here and here and make sure it's 10 millimeter to make sure it is at the center from this area. Okay, please note that sometimes this one is not clickable because since it is already 3D, sometimes your tool, the software is confused which point are you really pointing to. So you can click this one, create external geometry and click here to create a clickable edge. Okay, now this one, let's have this and this one 10. Okay. Okay, now notice that it's already green or fully constrained. Then let's close it so we can create this into a cylinder object. Okay, close. And then, of course, to create this, we are going to make this a solid cylinder. We have to create pad. And then, 10 millimeters again. However, since uh, I will be inserting this to another hole here. Imagine the thickness of this is 10 millimeters, but there's another thickness here. So 10 millimeter minus 1. So it's actually no longer 10 millimeters. So instead of having 10 millimeters, I'll have a shorter one, which is 8 millimeter, since later you will have it, um, you will add fillet here. Okay, so let's have 8.5 millimeters. Okay, that's it. Now, this one is very sharp, the edge of the circle. So let's add fillet to make it smooth. This one is the fillet tool. Click the surface first and then click fillet. Then add a 1 millimeter fillet. I'm okay with that. So let's do that. Okay, look at this. This looks like more like a Lego now. But observe that there must be a hole here. If you're playing Lego, there must be a hole. And there is a cylinder here where you can insert the cylinder above. Okay, so let's draw something here because it must be a square. There must be a square hole or a pocket here. Click the surface and then create a sketch. Okay, so now we can create a sketch here, a hole. Okay, what should be the size of the hole? It must be bigger than the other hole because you're going to insert a 10 millimeter hole. You can set a 12 millimeter hole here to make sure that it can be inserted here. Okay, now we have a hole of 12 millimeter diameter. We must ensure that this one is at the center. So again, just like what we did with the other one, let's have 10 millimeter from the edge at the right side and 10 millimeter from the top edge. Oops. Okay, wasn't right. Okay, this is what I'm telling you a while ago. The edge here is not visible, so it's hard to click. So you can use this one. But if the other side is clickable, then you no longer need to have it visible because you can use the edge at the bottom. So it must be 10. Okay, now you can see it's green. It's fully constrained. So you can click close. And then, oh no, okay. Let's go back because we are not supposed to create a circle here because we have to create a rectangular hole. Okay, sorry for that. Let's click again and then create a square here. I'm sorry. Okay, let's create a hole first before the cylinder. Okay, the rectangle or the square here must be smaller than the other one. So it must be, since the original square is 20 millimeters, we can have 18 by 18. Okay, and make sure it's at the center. So, okay, let's zoom it out. This one and this one must be 1 millimeter. And this one and this one must be, okay, this one and this one must be another 1 millimeter. Okay, it's fully constrained already. So the rectangle or the square is already at the center. Click close and then add a pocket hole, and make sure it's less than 10 millimeters, but it's not, of course, not 5 because this side is very thick already. So just deduct 1 from 10. Let's have 9 millimeter hole. Okay, so now it looks like a Lego except for a missing part. And the missing part is the cylinder there where you can insert the solid cylinder on top. Okay, Let's create a sketch here. Of course, the first step is click the plane and then create a sketch. Then, just like what we did a while ago, which I erased because it's not yet the step. Let's create a circle that is 12 millimeters. Make sure it's at the center by clicking this one, and it must be 10 millimeters. And this one and this one must be another 10 millimeters. So it's green. So it's a signal that go proceed to the next and close. Okay, before we can create a hole, we have to make it a solid object. So let's use the padding first. Okay, again, do not set it to 10 millimeter. Why? Why? Okay, let's look at this. Okay, if we set a 10 millimeter, sorry for the noise of the dogs and noise of the kids. Okay, this must not be 10 millimeters because as you can see, it's going to protrude from the base. From the base, look at this. It's more than this and it doesn't look like a Lego anymore. So you have to reduce the 10 millimeter to 9 millimeter and you can even make it smaller. Okay, so let's see. See, it's already like that. Okay, now we have a solid cylinder here. We can create, in this plane, we can create a hole. See? Okay, and it's a 6 mm hole. If it's a 6 mm, the solid cylinder there cannot insert here because it's smaller. So let's make it 9 millimeter. And of course, the depth should not be 25 because the thickness of this box is only 10. So it must only be 9 millimeters. Okay, so again, 9. The depth is 9. The diameter is also 9. Okay, we have now a hole. Okay. I hope you understand that. Okay. Okay, that is now a single Lego. Now, your task is to create not just a single Lego, but a Lego with 6 cylinders. Okay, let's see if I can find a photo at Google. Okay, Lego. Okay, this one. Okay, you are going to create a Lego with 6. Okay. It's not the one. Okay, anyway, let me just point out what Lego I want. Okay, this one on green. This one is the Lego. Observe that in real in a Lego real or legit Lego, the cylinders here has one piece of Lego has actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another 8 holes there. But it's up to you if you want to really copy it just as it is. Okay, it's up to you, but that one is the design of a Lego. Okay, anyway, as long as you use the tools that I have taught you, the 3 basic tools, the hole, the pocket, and the pad, and actually also the fillet. Okay, so you can start now.